So I'm Aspinall. I'm a technical support engineer for QUICKGRIND. I look after the north of the UK as well as some international clients. We've been members of NMIS for the past 5 years. We're continuing to grow this relationship along with NMIS technicians and NMIS clients.
So we're the National Manufacturing Institute for Scotland, and we're based just outside of Glasgow, and we are here to help businesses large and small innovate, do new things and see if they can manufacture things differently. We are a specialist centre. We help people with machining, lightweighting, design, product management, and we're here to help any size of business. We have a range of members from large internationals to small SMEs. Being a member of NMIS means that you can come and use our facilities, you can speak with our engineers, our designers, and get specialist expertise to help your business do things differently, save some time, save some money for the future.
QUICKGRIND have been a partner for 5 years. They make very innovative milling tools. We have quite a number of machining companies in Scotland. They help us to help them to become more productive. So it's that specialist expertise they bring in cutting tools that gives us that innovative step in machining.
QUICKGRIND turned special cutting tools, non-standard cutting tools, around in a short space of time. So as well as standard off-the-shelf tooling that we can offer, we can also work on special projects, producing cutting tools at a quick turnaround that these guys can use on client projects. NMIS offer collaboration space to work with the technicians, with the NMIS employees themselves, also with other member companies, so that we can collaborate, knowledge share best practice, work on client projects to give the best solution to anything that they may be working on. So we know what cutting tools work with what materials, what grade of carbide, what cutting tool geometry, what coatings. There's new materials being released that these guys are trying to understand, and that's what we want to work with, to understand what new technologies, new materials are coming out, so that we can provide the best cutting tools.
At NMIS we are working on a lot of new novel products, new novel materials in both composites and metallics, being able to produce special tools which have specific geometries on them allow us to develop new solutions which increase productivity for our manufacturers and ultimately help them grow within UK manufacturing.
So we may have customers that are interested in using our technology but do not have the time on their workshop to be able to run any cutting tool trials. This can allow our clients and NMIS clients to understand where they can put capital investment into new machinery, new technology, and have a process ready for when new machinery hits their shop floor. At the NMIS we have vending machines here stocked with our tools. We can have a look at what tools that we have on site or what we may need to manufacture to satisfy their needs, to make sure that they're using perfectly the right tool and the right data. So I have telephone calls with every one of these technicians here, and it might even be talking about what machine strategies for this material works better with what tools.
To have vending machines on site gives us extra leverage and extra capabilities and efficiency, and cuts down the lead time for us to manufacture a product. Rather than waiting the tool to arrive from a supplier, now we have got them on site, which is unbelievable, which is superb. It really makes my life easier. So rather than waiting a supplier to deliver a tool, I'm just going straight to the vending machine and grab one. So it's unbelievable, it's really great, smart idea. And it's only QUICKGRIND that offers those backup and support to us. No any other tooling supplier provides such level of support.
So the vending machines allow us to control our standard tools, but they also allow us to control our specials as well when we're working on our research and development projects. It allows us to have access to the cutting tools at the time of need, and always allows us to be able to work on our projects when we need to.
QUICKGRIND and NMIS will continue to grow together. We see it as using the best technology, the newest technology, to help give the end user the best productivity for the future.